Welcome to this ToolHound Learning Center video where we'll look at how to build and maintain serialized, dissolving serialized, and bulk kits, including how to replenish consumables, swap out tools, and empty kits. Let's start with serialized kits. Serialized kits are uniquely tracked, can contain all inventory types, and the contents are expected to come back together. First, we create the part number for this new type of kit. For this example, each kit will contain a chainsaw and accessories. Creating the new record, we enter the part number, then select the serialized inventory type, set the visibility, and enter the description. The only difference from a standard serialized part number is checking the kit flag. We will ignore the dissolve serialized kit, and we'll save this new kit part. Now we'll add a new serialized kit by selecting the Items tab and clicking plus. The Serialized Items page is displayed with the part information loaded. Note that the kit flag is already checked. Like any serialized item, we'll enter the item ID, inventory status, and stocking point. Now we click the Kit Contents tab to build the kit. We'll add a specific chainsaw item ID to the kit. The required quantity defaults to 1 and the balance is -1. Changing the quantity to 1 moves the chainsaw into the kit and clears the balance. Next, we'll add a bulk chainsaw scabbard and add 1 into the kit. We'll look up some earplugs and add them to the kit as well. Safety glasses are added. Then a leather bucket. Gloves could be required when using a chainsaw, but since the size can vary, they would not be included with a kit. And we save the kit. Note that the kit complete flag is checked. Let's look at the chainsaw we added by clicking the item ID. While the chainsaw is in stock, the quantity on hand is 0 because it's in a kit, and we see the kit ID on the right. Let's look at the bucket part number. On the Stocking Points tab, we see that there are 15 on hand and 1 in a kit for a total of 16. Consumables are handled the same way. This kit has been issued and returned but isn't complete. Let's prepare the kit to go out again. The balance shows what's missing. Replenish the consumables by adding the required quantity into the kit for the earplugs and the glasses. Let's look at the chainsaw. It's still issued and not linked to the kit. We need to swap the chainsaw in the kit so that it's complete. First, remove the outstanding chainsaw as a kit requirement by clicking Delete on the Kit Contents tab. Add another on-hand chainsaw as a requirement and adjust it into the kit and click Save. The kit is now flagged as complete. Here's another chainsaw kit. In this case, we want to empty the kit so that the inventory is available to issue separately. The items and the quantities will remain as requirements. Looking at the bucket, it shows that there are currently 2 in kits. To empty the kit, click Clear Contents on the Kit Contents tab for the kit. The warning explains the consequences. Click OK. The quantities are removed from the kit and the kit complete flag is removed. Looking at the bucket part number again, the in-kit quantity is decreased and the quantity is added to the quantity on hand. Looking at the chainsaw, it's in stock with a quantity on hand of 1 and has no link to the kit. Let's look at the differences with a dissolvable or dissolving serialized kit where the contents are not expected to come back together. In this example, we're creating a kit to act as a staging area before checking out a large number of items to a project site. This could be a designated pallet or job box or a C-can. As we create the part number, we'll click the Kit flag, then select Dissolve Serialized Kit. Now let's create a kit. We'll click the Items tab, then click Plus. After identifying the kit, we'll click Kit Contents tab and begin adding items. String lights. We'll add 5. Power strips. Also 5. An air compressor with the ID 10029. A pump with the ID 4456. And we'll save. Note that we can continue to add to this kit up until the point that it's issued. Looking at the pump, it has the same link to the kit as a standard serialized kit. After we issue the kit, we can see that the contents are completely cleared, both the quantity and the requirements. Next up, bulk kits. These kits can contain only non-serialized inventory types, and the contents aren't expected to come back together. In this example, we'll create a kit for swag merchandise for employee awards. We'll start by adding the part number. This is the same as adding a standard bulk part until we set the kit flag. And we'll save. The Kit Contents tab is different since it's directly on the part. There's a required quantity, but not a quantity in the kit. And since only non-serialized parts can be included, we can use the parts catalog to select them. We'll add a magnetic tool pickup, a multi-tool, a job site speaker, and a nylon bag to carry it all in. And we'll save the requirements. Now let's package up 5 swag bag kits. We create an inventory adjustment for the kit item ID. And the Stocking Points tab now shows 5 kits on hand. And when we look at the multi-tool, we can see that we have 5 on hand and 5 in kits. After issuing one of the swag kits, the kit quantity on hand is reduced and it's removed from inventory. Note it's not included as issued. The kit contents remain unchanged. Looking at the multi-tool again, the quantity on hand is unchanged at 5, but the in-kit quantity is reduced by 1. Let's look at kit reports. The Serialized Kit Content Report is for both serialized and dissolvable kits, and it lists each kit along with the required quantity and the current quantity, and shows the current inventory status. The Bulk Kit Content Report lists each bulk kit and the required quantities. Let's review what we've seen so far. There are good kits and there are bad kits. Bad kits would be 200-piece socket sets, anything that can't physically be kept together, and anything with variable pieces or accessories. There are 3 types of kits: serialized, dissolving serialized, and bulk. and each kit must have its own part number. These part numbers can't be added to rate sheets for transfer transaction rental since the components are already included. Replenish the consumables and serialized kits when the kits come back so that they're ready to go the next time. Rebuild dissolving kits each time you need them because the contents are removed every time they're issued. And create adjustments to build bulk kits. And to swap contents out of a kit, the kit itself must be in stock. Thanks for watching this video from the ToolHound Learning Center. For any questions, contact our support team, and remember, subscribe and hit the notification bell.